Hi, this is Frankie. I'm Earl. Frankie just finished a 2-week board and train at Sunnidale. I have to say the trainers are fantastic. The staff are always so wonderful and friendly. The training was so successful. Frankie seems a lot happier. I'm a lot happier. Sit. He does so well. Thank you.
It's an incredible feeling when you arrive here. The moment you walk in to Sunnidale, you feel warmth, care, and expertise and knowledge. So leaving her here in the hands of everybody that works here, we just felt so good about it.
The whole staff here was incredible. They took great care of her. It's unreal how obedient she is now, how she listens to commands. It's just incredible, and I would recommend this place to anyone.